The inspiration for the Arcadia facade was traditional gable-story homes with a lot of brickwork, chimneys, gridded windows, a lot of that texture and character. And together they create a really quaint, homely and full of character facade that I think is quite unique.
As you drive into the street, you notice the beautiful painted brick with that amazing chimney feature and with a touch of very simplistic color scheme of just black and white. It's just enough for it to stand out in the row of cookie-cutter display homes.
The entry door and the garage door have a nice timber detail that really finishes the look of the whole facade, and that entry door style we've brought throughout the rest of the home with all the internal doors having the same timber detail.
The overall concept of the home is the classical vintage with a lot of opulence and features that have not been used before in any of other display homes. The lounge room, for instance, it has a gorgeous Neo-Georgian fireplace with a chimney and also the exposed beams, which we've not done before. I imagined it to be a media-free zone where the friends and family get together, sit down and just talk and connect together.
My favourite part of this home would be the formal lounge with the herringbone floor going into the whole room and the feature fireplace with the two portal windows either side. Also, I really love the kitchen in this home. It has a really large island bench, long kitchen runs, butler's pantry. It's got the farmhouse sink, which we've done for the first time, which is a really nice detail that gives a lot of character to the kitchen. And we finished it off with 60mm thick Caesar stone bench tops, as well as really nice profiled cabinetry on all the doors and drawers.
I've also added the brick bond splashback in the kitchen, which will tie in very well with the painted brick of external and also in the alfresco.
The Riviera 32 is a really nice single-storey family home. It has a lot of rooms and a lot of space for everyone to enjoy privately or come together in the main living area and enjoy it together.
I love this home because it has a personality that I've not seen around. It has the warmth, it has the class, and it has the feel of being a home with taste.